In this quick tip, I'm going to show you how we can better organize our layers to make working on a project easier. Right now, if I want to move my computer logo, if I start clicking and dragging, it's only doing one bit at a time, and that's not very efficient. I want to be able to move both of them at the same time because, in my mind, they're linked. I can make groups of layers by coming over here and clicking the folder. This creates what's called a group. Now, there's nothing in my group right now. Clicking the arrow next to it opens and closes it, and I can name it. Double clicking the word group one allows me to name it logo. Now I can drag it around just like a layer, and I can drag in the bits that I want to go inside of it by dragging them and dropping them on top of it. Now when I click the little arrow next to it, I can expand or hide it. And now when it comes time to move it, I move the whole thing just by clicking logo.